Yeah, and you see that it's the what you call that, the stamina. So let's try to have the Takara Tomy launcher, which is this is the launcher of our Pegasus Blast, and then it's also its own Reaper. Okay, let's try. So ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Stronger and very uncontrolled. But yeah, that should be our Hell's Reaper. So using this one, an intro level kind of Reaper, it's not so good. Yeah, but this one, woo, strong. You can really put your 100% strength on that. So that's the kick. Okay, now I will find a suitable opponent for this blade. Okay, so let's have it and let's go. Let's wait for me because I will get its opponent. Let's go. Okay, so now we have its opponent, yeah. And it's a the Hell series or the Incendio series, according to Hasbro. Yep. But in Tagatome, it's the Hell series. So it's the Hell's Reaper. So let's have the very first one, which is your Hell Sight.